my good people, welcome back to my YouTube channel. Mercy here. So in today's video, I am going to be sharing with you dinner ideas, breakfast and lunch ideas that I do for my family. It's been a long time since I last shared about the food ideas, but now we are back and expect to be seeing a video or two every week from me. We're trying to incorporate low carb diet, low sugar, like no sugar, but we will start with low sugar while we proceed to the no sugar. And probably no wheat for the first 2-3 weeks. After that, it'll be wheat randomly. So today we have salad station. So we're going to have our regular lettuce, spinach, and we're going to use cucumber, tomato. I don't have cherry tomato, but you can use any tomato that you have available. For our topping, we'll use some feta cheese, and we will add some sprouted pumpkin seeds. You can get this from Costco. For salad dressing, I use olive oil, and you can make yours organically at home. But I try to use olive oil or apple cider vinegar, especially if you have greens. It makes the greens taste a little bit sweeter. So on this other side, we're going to make some grounded turkey, of which we'll use some onions, peppers. I like to use chicken stock for my soups like that. Olive oil, that goes there. Instead of using rice, we use cauli rice, and it's going to get some carrots. So let's cook. Our spices will be ground cumin, paprika, poultry seasoning, and I think this is garam masala, and of course ginger and garlic paste. I go the easy route sometimes, but I have the actual ginger itself and the garlic. But this is easy peasy. Once you come from work, I don't have time to do those nitty gritty stuff. So let's get into our cooking. like that. Our food is ready. I'll just put it in a container. And that's it. We are good to go. So this is what we're going to be serving for dinner. This is grounded turkey with mixed veggies and chicken broth. And here we have rice cauli. You can eat as much as you want because it's all cauliflower. But I'm going to go with 1 tablespoon, 1 big tablespoon. And then I'll get my salad. So every person in the family is going to get this. And so for me, I will add some pumpkin seeds. So this is how pumpkin seeds look like. I'll just get a little. My hands are clean, so just sprinkle like that. And that's our dinner. Whoever wants will get more feta, but I am content with what was put in the dish. So that's our dinner for tonight. So thank you so much for watching today's video. If you enjoy this type of content, like, comment, share, and subscribe to my YouTube channel. Make sure you try these recipes. And if you have some more suggestions on what we can make, comment down below. Until the next one, you take care.